So it's Heather Boyd Wire here, and I'm going to do a little PS to the live stream. I'm going to put the name Ashley in the little bear ornament for Susan. So I'll just flip my screen around. So we'll just take the wire, it's 20 gauge wire, and we'll go ahead and start the A. So we'll just bring it up like that and down. I like to do like a little triangle with the A. I just find it works nicely. It gives it a nice little kind of finished look. So we'll bring that one up here and then down, and then we're going to do a cursive S. So bring this up and bend this to the back. Actually, it's to the front, and bring it over, curve it, and then we're going to flip it and bring it to the back here. You can tighten up that curve if you need. Bend it across, and we're going to go to the H. So we'll bring that here, bring it up. So the H is basically like an L. We'll bring this around here, and then we're going to bend that up. And then I'm going to get my larger round pliers. I just find it works better to use the larger round ones to do that. And we'll bring this across. And then we need the L. So we're going to bring this up. And we can do the L the same height as the H. You can just wiggle it back if you need to make it a little higher. And then the E. So we're going to bring this up here and wiggle it around a bit. So for the E, I like to just push this out a little bit and bring that down here. So it's got a little bit more definition there. And then I'm going to use the larger round pliers to bring this up to make a little bit more of a curve there. Wiggle it back if you have to. Okay, and then bend this to the front for the Y. And the Y is basically a bit like a U. So we're going to bring that one up here. Okay, we're going to bring that down a bit. And then we're going to bend it to the back. Bring it back here. And bring that across. And across here. So there we have Ashley. Bring that right across. And then we're going to have to find a way to put it in the bear. So we'll get the bear here, bring it here. And it's nice when it's on an angle, so you can go ahead and bring it around here. And what we'll do is it's good to have it bent around sort of a corner. Then it helps hold it in place. So if we hold that there, bring that around, and then bring it around back again. It's good to twist it a couple of times so it's nice and fixed. And then we can get our flat pliers, give it a pinch. Okay, and then we're going to bring it on an angle. That looks super cute. And bend this around here. Just bend it around a couple of times, maybe even 3 if you think it's going to like slide back and forth. It might be good to make it a little more solid. So click that and give that a little pinch, and there we have Ashley in the bear.